Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn 3 new things, very important things. How to change specific element into something else at specific position, okay? How to insert, like aggressively or forcefully, new stuff, new element at specific position, and how to add new stuff at the end, by default, at the end of our list. So let's, for example, change Michael into Patrick. Okay, names, and then you will state position and new value, which will be Patrick. Okay, and now let's print our list with all elements. The result will be Patrick, Samantha, Anastasia, and John. So just remember, when you are changing things, use positions. Positions are extremely important when you are working with lists. Okay. Now, next thing, what if you wanna forcefully insert something at specific position? You know your reasons, I don't know what are those, but you just wanna get into that specific place. So how to do that? You will say names dot insert, okay, and then inside of normal brackets you will state that position, like let's say here, okay, right here between Patrick and Samantha, you wanna have a new name. So that will be position 1 and then comma, and then let's say you wanna get Madonna in there, or Beyonce, whatever, or Jay-Z, right? So clear screen, and there you go, you have Madonna at position 1. Now, next thing, if you wanna append a couple of things at the end, what you're gonna do is names dot append, and then because you're appending at the end, the position is not important. You will just say you wanna append, for example, Brian, and for example, something else like that dude from Curb Your Enthusiasm, like Larry, something like that, right? So there you go. You have Brian and Larry at the end. Now you will probably say, well, okay, so that's kind of straightforward and we are doing stuff manually, but is there a way to append stuff from one list to another list, like automatically? Well, yes, let me show how. So names number 1, for example, and what we have, Patrick, and let's say what I was talking about, Madonna, damn it, uppercase, and Larry. Okay, so let's grab with the for loop, and we will talk about loop more, but I just want to show you that you can do this, and you will do this often. So for any element, and this X represent that element, into names, you wanna append them to original names. So this is names 1, okay, and this is just names like a original list, okay. So you will say names, normal names, dot append that specific X, okay. And now when you print names, you will get bunch of stuff, okay, all of them, all these names, okay. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So if you don't understand this, don't worry, you know, you will use that all the time, you will get used to it, it will become your second nature. I promise you, you will understand this after our next couple of tutorials. But honestly, I think we are kinda good for one tutorial, so I'm gonna shut up and see you next one.